Hey folks, welcome to Hate to Be Grilling. Now tonight we're going to stay here in the kitchen. We're going to make some zucchini boats. But these zucchini boats, I found it, or it was in a recipe book that was sent to me by my very best friend who works for the company that put out this cookbook. This cookbook, Eager to Cook, right here. Healthy recipes for healthy living. So I'm excited to dive into this because he has told me that their chef, Chef Andres, is a dang good cook. So let's get this party started. Before we ever do anything, I'm gonna get my dry seasonings together. I'm gonna grab 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, about 1 tablespoon of oregano. And once we have those seasonings in here, I'm just gonna take and stir them around. Next thing, we're gonna take 4 zucchinis and we're gonna try to cut these as straight as I can, right down the middle. Like I said, I got 4 of them. But once we get them cut, what we want to do next is take us a spoon and we just want to take the inside of the zucchini out. And when you take it out, put it in a bowl because we will be using it. All right, so for this cook, we're going to use a 90-10 ground beef. There's not much fat content in it. So what I do want to do is I want to spray my skillet with some of the non-stick spray. And we're going to add that 1 pound of ground beef, like I said, 90-10 or leaner, into our skillet. Then we're going to set our burner to a medium heat. Now that I got my ground beef kind of broken up, I'm going to come back with that dry seasoning that we mixed up just a little bit ago. Sprinkle it in here. And then we're just gonna start kind of mixing this in with our ground beef. And we're gonna cook this until it's fully cooked. All right, so our ground beef is cooked through. And next we're gonna add, I diced up 1 red onion, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 green bell pepper. So we're gonna add these in here. We're just gonna, keeping it on that medium heat, we're gonna cook this until those vegetables get good and soft and tender. All right, so we got our vegetables softened up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back in with that zucchini that we took out of the boats there. And they're all, you know, big kind of clumps, right? But I wanna mix this in well, kind of chop them, kind of break them down smaller bite-sized pieces. All right, so we got us a 9x13 baking dish. I'm gonna take it and spray that non-stick spray in there. If I had more parchment paper, I would lay it down, but I run out. Next, we're gonna take one of our little boats here. I just want to spray it with the spray. So we got our banana boats here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take us a spoon and we're gonna spoon that mixture out into the boats. So we have our zucchini boats filled. We're gonna put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. All right, folks, we just pulled these out the oven. What I'm gonna do now is I got some cilantro and we're gonna kind of garnish the top. Oh, that was a big clump right there all together, wasn't it? Well, we're just gonna garnish the top here with some cilantro. Now I am gonna add some sauce on these. Miss Brandy, she wanted me to do hers, like half of it, right, with some Italian dressing. And then the other half, she wants me to do a little bit of ranch on there, which I thought was a pretty dang good idea. All right. Now, on this one down here, for whatever reason, I'm thinking some Thai-style sweet chili sauce. It's gonna be good for this. It's gonna be spicy. I believe the first one we're gonna try is one with that Thai-style chili sauce. And I got a little bit of everything there. The meat, the zucchini that we put back in the boat. So. Folks, that was really, really good. It was really simple. You know, I'm not quick at dicing things up, so the prep stage took me a little bit of time. But really simple, healthy. May not have been once I put the ranch and that Thai style chili sauce on there, but very good meal. And I cannot wait to dive into more recipes from this. Healthy recipes for healthy living. So y'all please give this video a try, or let me know what you think of the video. Please give these zucchini boats a try. I think you'll be pleased. So y'all please like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.